Hello everyone, today's menu will be cheeseburger sliders. These mini burgers are so delicious that you'll be reaching for more. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. On a skillet over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in some oil. And then I'm going to add in the chopped onions. Give it a quick stir. Cook until softened. And then once the onions are softened, going to add in the ground beef, breaking it apart a little bit. And then going to add in some Worcestershire sauce, along with some salt, and then some black pepper. And then just want to give it a good mix to combine everything well. And then you'll want to cook it until it's browned and no longer pink. After 8 minutes, the beef is cooked. Turn off the stove and then remove it from heat. Drain if you would like. And then in a small bowl with mayo, I'm going to add in the ketchup and mustard. And then I'm just going to give a quick mix to combine. And then I'm just going to set it aside. And then here I have some dinner rolls, and I'm just going to remove it from its package. With a bread knife, cut the rolls crosswise through the center, working your way toward the back, working slowly. With a baking sheet lined with foil or parchment, or both, place the bottom rolls on the sheet and pour the mayo mixture on top. Then spread it all around the bread. And then now we're just going to sprinkle on the good old yummy cheese all over the top. You can shred your own cheese or buy the pre-packaged bag. And then now I'm just going to sprinkle on the cooked ground beef all over the top, working your way toward the edge. Once all of the ground beef are on top, we're going to sprinkle on the remaining cheese. And then just going to add in the sliced dill pickles. You can chop them up into smaller pieces if you prefer. Or if you don't like pickles, you can omit it all at once. And then we're going to cover it with the top half of the rolls. And then after that, we're going to brush on some melted butter all over the top. You can use olive oil if you prefer. And then after that, we're going to sprinkle on some bagel seasoning. If you prefer, you can use another type of seasoning, but bagel seasoning gives this such a great flavor. And then once you're done, you'll want to bake it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the bread is nice and toasty. Here is the end results of the cheeseburger sliders. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!